guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. So in today's video guys, I want to do a smoky eye. I want to do a black smoky eye and I want to incorporate this really crazy beautiful blue color. Just hold on. I bought this palette a while back. This is the MAGNIF'EYES color edition from RIMMEL London, and I saw this color sometime during the week and I was like, I would really like to create a look with that color over there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm talking about, please keep on watching. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe before we get into this. Alright guys, so first up, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40. I'm gonna apply this on my lid. And I'm gonna blend this out. The reason I'm starting with my eyes today is because I'm going to be using a black shadow and I think there's going to be a lot of fallout even from the blue shade that I showed you guys just now. So I'll just do my eye and then I'll just wipe off the fallout. Then I'll do my skin. To set that in place, I'm going to take my Ada Pro Girl powder. So first up, I'm going to go into my W7 Delicious Natural and Berry color palette. I'm going to go in with that first, with that brown shade right there, the second one. And I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to take the fluffiest blending brush that I have. And I want to apply this shadow as light as possible, but I just want it to use as my transition color. I'm going to start on my upper crease. So I'm just going to switch shades real quickly because that shade is not very pigmented. I'm going to go into that first one at the bottom row. Yeah, that one is way better. Alright, now onto my second shade which I want to use. I'm going to go into my Morphe 24G palette and I'm going to go for that dark brown shade right there at the top. Hope you guys can see it. And this time I'm going to take my smaller blending brush. It's not as fluffy as the first one. The reason why I'm taking this brush is because I want this look to be very tight. I don't want to do a blown out smoky look. So I'm going for this brush because I'll keep it as close as possible to the crease. I'm going to start right there on the outer corner. And I'm just going to bring it towards the center of the lid. I'm just going to start like that. Then going into the crease, I'm just going to move to the inner corner. I want to apply this in circular motion on the outer corner. Then I'm going to push it in and apply it on the crease in back and forth motion. I also want to apply it on the inner corner. Same circular motion. And then I'm going to bring it on the crease in a back and forth motion. Alright guys, so now that I have my two colors nicely blended together, I am going to go in with my black shade. And for that I'm going to be using my Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to take my pencil brush and I'm gonna dip into my black shade over there. I'm gonna start off with my outer corner. I'm just gonna apply the black shade right there. On the lid. I'm not gonna take it to my crease, and I'm gonna apply it on my inner corner too. And then I'm gonna take that black shade all around, close to my crease, but not directly on the crease. Then I'm gonna use the pencil brush to blend this out. I'm gonna go back to my second brush, the fluffy blending brush, but the one that's a bit more tapered. I'm gonna use this brush to blend the black with the brown. Right now I don't have any product on my brush. I'm just gonna use it with the little product it has left from the previous blend. Then after I've done a bit of blending, I'm gonna go into that brown shade from my Morphe 24G palette and use it on my crease. This will help marry the two colors together nicely. This entire look is all about blending, so I'm just going to take the first brush that I used and I'm going to go back into my W7 palette and I am just going to use it to dust off at the very top of everything so that I can get that nice blend. And then for the last time, I'm going to go into that black shade and just make sure it's really visible. And then now for the shade that I'm going to be using at the center of my lid, I am going to take my MAGNIF'EYES palette from RIMMEL London and I'm going to go into that royal blue shade over there. And to apply it, I'm going to be taking my Morphe flat shade brush. I think I might start off with using my finger first. Oh, this shade is so beautiful. I'm not going to go in with the flat shade brush. I'm going to spritz the shadow before I apply it. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much it for the look. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this eye and I'll be right back. So next up I'm going to go to my skin. For foundation today I'm going to go with my Fit Me Maybelline. I'm going to be taking two shades today. I'm going to take 332 and then I'm going to take 350. And I'm going to mix it up using the back of my brush. And I'm taking my favorite brush to apply foundation with, which is my TAKEALOT brush. To conceal, I'm using my Fit Me concealer in the shade 40. And I'm going to use my brush to blend everything out. Then to set everything in place again, yo, my duke is falling off. I'm going to be using my LA Pro Girl powder I was using earlier in the shade Banana Yellow. To set my upper lip, I'm going to be taking my Yardley Loose powder. Shit. And my smile lines. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and I'm just going to use it to dust off the excess powder. Then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation powder and I'm going to take my ECOTOOLS big fluffy brush and use that as a bronzer. I'm going to apply that around my face. And around my jawline. Now onto my lower lash line. I'm going to go back to my 24G palette and taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go into that brown shade I used. Then taking a much smaller pencil brush, I'm going to dip into the black shade from my Morphe 35P palette and I'm going to run that very close to the lash line. Then I'm going to take my other pencil brush and I am going to blend out that black shadow. Because I also want it to be smoky. I also want to add black liner to the look, so I'm going to take my Maybelline the Colossal KAJAL Extra Black Liner and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. The last step for my lower lash line is to add mascara, and I'm going to take my Revlon Ultimate All-in-One and I'm going to use it for my lower lashes. Then up next, I'm going to take my MAC highlighter. This is the Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension one, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. And on my forehead. And my chin. I think I'm also going to add a bit of blush, and I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Blush Palette and just a tiny bit. And then for my lips, I'm going to take my favorite lip liner, which is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to use this to line on this. I am going to wear gloss today. First up, I think I'm going to mix my two glosses, the one from Rimmel London, Oh My Gosh gloss in the shade Rebel Red. I'm going to take my favorite gloss, which is from Essence 07 Happiness gloss. Then to finish up this look, I'm going to take the Body Shop Mandarin Energizing Face Mist. I'm just going to spritz this on my face, but I'm going to cover my eyes. Okay you guys, I almost forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm going to take my MAC highlight again with a small shaded brush. I am going to highlight my brow bone. And I think I'm going to do my nose highlight today as well. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this look today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I do hope that you guys are learning from my tutorials. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you guys actually learned anything from my tutorials or you just watch me for fun. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below what you guys thought of my makeup look. Also guys, if you have any requests of things that you want me to do, any tutorials that you want to see, don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below as well. Thank you so much guys yet again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.